Hello and welcome to today's video about social media. Social media platforms have become an integral part of our daily lives, connecting us to our friends, family, and the world. However, it's important to be aware of the potential risks and negative effects of social media use. The benefits of social media. Let's start by discussing the benefits of social media. Social media allows us to connect with people all over the world, share our thoughts and experiences, and stay up to date on news and events. It can also be a valuable tool for businesses and organizations to promote their products or services. The risks of social media. However, social media also has its risks. One of the biggest risks is the potential for cyberbullying and harassment. Social media can provide a platform for people to spread hate and negativity, which can have serious consequences for the mental health and well-being of the victims. Additionally, social media can be addictive and time-consuming, leading to a lack of productivity and feelings of anxiety or depression. How to use social media responsibly. So, how can we use social media responsibly? First, it's important to set boundaries and limit the amount of time we spend on social media. It's also important to be mindful of the content we share and the people we interact with online. We should always think twice before posting anything and avoid engaging in negative or hurtful behavior. Protecting your privacy. Another important aspect of social media use is protecting our privacy. We should be cautious when sharing personal information online, as it can be used by cybercriminals for identity theft or other malicious purposes. It's important to use strong, unique passwords for our social media accounts and enable two-factor authentication whenever possible. Conclusion. In conclusion, social media can be a powerful tool for connection and communication, but it's important to use it responsibly and be aware of the potential risks. By setting boundaries, being mindful of our behavior online, and protecting our privacy, we can use social media in a safe and positive way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.